How to send disappearing or view once photo on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send a disappearing or a view once photo on WhatsApp. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So unlike Instagram and Snapchat and so on, if you want to send a photo to someone on WhatsApp, you know that it gets saved to their devices, right? So in this case, you can turn this feature off by only customizing your privacy settings and then sending them only for once so that they can only view it once, or you can also allow replays or so on. So for that case, what you have to do is first of all open up WhatsApp, select a person to whom you want to send a specific message, just take a photo or choose a specific photo in this case. Once you go ahead and choose a photo, or actually go ahead and then also select a specific photo from gallery. If I just send this photo directly, it is going to be saved in that person's gallery, in my gallery as well, and I'll be able to save them or whatever else. But if I want them to view only once, then in that case what I have to do is I just have to tap on this little view once icon right over here. So you can see view once messages just got more private, so just tap on OK. You can just turn it on. When it is highlighted in green, it is set photo set to view once. When it is not highlighted, they can actually do whatever they want. So I'll just select photo set to view once and then just hit the arrow button over here. And then once you hit the arrow button over here, you can see photo has been successfully sent to that specific person in this case, and then they will only be able to view it once. And this is how you can send disappearing photos or messages on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.